In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your character skin here in Forsaken on Roblox. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Forsaken Roblox content just like this. What we're going to do is once you do get loaded into Forsaken, is actually look on this left-hand menu over here, and what you're looking for is actually the inventory tab right here. So go ahead and select inventory just like that. And the very first option that you're going to have is going to be killers, survivors, or even emotes. So select whatever one you have. In my case, I do have multiple skins on survivors, so I'm going to navigate to the survivor section right here, and you can select a different skin, such as Elliot, Noob, whatever this guy's name is. And then to actually equip the skin, you need to look at this bottom left corner and select equipped right here. Now on top of this, you can actually purchase new skins by going to the shop tab, and in the shop tab right here you can buy specific skins for killers, survivors, and you can even buy emotes if you would like. But yeah, that's how you can actually change your skin here in Forsaken. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.